this is Betty and welcome back to my channel. And I'm here today to share with you guys some of the embellishments or card candy that I created for my good friend Markeisha. We decided to do our summer swap, and our theme is fruits and incorporate bees as well. So I decided to do what is called card candy, which is basically just a set of embellishments that you can use on your cards or really any project that you're creating. If you like what I created, or if you like the share in this video, don't forget to hit the like button to support my channel. Also, please subscribe to my YouTube channel to show your support, and hit the bell to be notified when I upload a new video. Welcome to my oldies, my old subscribers, and welcome to any new subscribers to my channel. All right, you guys, let's get started because I have a lot to share. First up, I want to share with you my B words. I used the die from KS Craft. It's the B sentiments. And I wanted to create some of these B sentiments. I used a new material that I purchased from, you can see all the glitter, from Hobby Lobby. This one says Beehive. So what I used here, I used some of my diamond dots, and I followed a tutorial of this crafter that created some bling words, and I was really inspired. I had her video on my to-do list for quite some time. So here's my spin on that. I will leave a link to that video below. But I used some diamond dots, and then I used some new material in yellow that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, and it's called Silly Winks. So it's glittery, and it puts you in the mind of foam. And so I thought that was really fun to use. And then I used some of the mirror cardstock in this like peachy pink color. And then you have buzzing, you have honeybee, and then this one is different. It has the yellow as the background, and then it has beautiful. So I thought those turned out really fun, just a different way to do your words, to put some texture on your words for your project. Here is my lemon themed card candy right here. And for this swap, I created for myself as well, because a lot of times I don't get to create for myself. This is the first set. This is my set. And so I had some of these rosettes that I purchased. I'll have to leave the name below of where I purchased these. She creates the really cute 3D rosettes, and I created these lemons. A lot of these are old, and I had already had those in my stash, but I thought it would be fun to group them together and create my card candy so I can just pull and be ready to go. So this is the lemon theme. All of this, I had already created this, the butterflies, as well as this lemon embellishment. So I have a nice little set. I had a lot of packaging in my stash that I wanted to use, and this would be so neat if we had this at Hobby Lobby as an embellishment to purchase. So this is what I created for myself, and so let me share with you what I created for Markeisha. And here is the pack or card candy, the lemon themed card candy that I put together for Markeisha for our swap. So this bag topper is KS Craft, the Tutti Frutti. And here are the lemons I created. That's the lemons is a die that came from Scrap Diva Designs. And then I had some of these bee stickers in my stash. I just added them on top of the lemon to give them a little bit more flair as an embellishment. And one of the fun things that I did with my card candy, I pulled in some of my pre-made embellishment and added them with the ones that I created so that it can be a full set. So these cute little flip-flops were already made, pre-made embellishments for my stash. I included a little bee there because we are to incorporate bees too in our embellishments. And here's a bee here with a little flower, and here's another one of those lemons. So this is my lemon card candy for Markeisha that I created. Here is another lemon embellishment or card candy that I put together for my stash. And here are the lemons. You can see those a little better. Let me take it out of the plastic here. Here are the lemons. You can see those better. That's Scrap Diva Designs. And then I had some of these buttons that I purchased from Etsy. And then I put this button together. It was quite a while when I put that together. Again, I just pulled things from my stash and put it together as a theme so it'll be easier to use. And so this is the one I created for myself. Here is another lemon themed card candy I put together from my own personal stash. This is using the Scrap Diva Designs little picture die. And then I just included some lemons on top, some stickers from my stash that says green leaves. This is also, I believe, Scrap Diva, this fresh. Then this little leaf here, embellishment, I believe this is Cottage Cuts, I think, a die. And then this right here is a sticker from my stash. So this is my stash of, again, lemon card candy. Next up, I had to do some watermelon. I love watermelon. It's my favorite fruit for the summer. And so this is how my watermelon embellishments turned out. I wanted my watermelons to be very dimensional. So I pulled out this Nouveau Crystal Glaze. I really, really like this. And it gives it a lot of dimension. So I love that. For the seeds, for the watermelon, I use some gems from the Dollar Tree. And I just adhered them on and then put the glaze all over. So here are my pink watermelons. And let me share what I created for Markeisha. Okay, and here are the watermelons that I put together for Markeisha, her watermelon card candy. And they're the same here. And then I just pulled in some stickers from my stash that coordinated really well to make it a complete card candy kit of this popsicle that says, "Oh, happy day." And then of this little cupcake that says, "Enjoy the little things." And I have a little flower here with a bee, and then another little clip here. This is a watermelon clip. I thought was really cute to add that. We're going back to the lemons because I forgot to share Markeisha's card candy in the pictures. And this is how hers turned out, decorated really cute. I have a bee here, be kind. And I thought this was really cute that says, "Give me some sugar." That came from a sticker set, and I just added it to complete the card candy kit. And I love how these turned out. Super cute. And here is the bigger picture with the spoon on this. This is for Markeisha. I have this strawberry here on the front. I added that diamond dust glitter on the spoon so it can look like sugar. I have a cute little bee here. I decorated the packaging really cute. I use pre-made packaging so that it can be quick for me to go ahead and package it up. So that's one reason why I like to use pre-made packaging, because it already has that back on it to give it some strength, and all I have to do is add the acetate and pop on the embellishment. So it just makes for packaging up a little quicker. Here's a cute little bee with a rosette, and this says happy day with a bee. And I created this one as the shaker. Okay, we're going to jump back into watermelon real quick, the red watermelon. So this is the one I created for myself. It has this cute little ant with the googly eyes that says, "You are sweet." I believe I cut that out on my Cricut. I can't remember. But I pulled these cute little ants with the googly eyes from another sticker set that I had in my stash. Here's the watermelons, and they look so real, you guys. Using that Nouveau Crystal Glaze. I used the same gems from the Dollar Tree on top to make those seeds look really dimensional. So this is what I have for myself, and let me share with you what I created for Markeisha. And this is what I have for Markeisha. I included those same little ants, but in this one I included a banana as well as a yellow watermelon. I packaged it up really cute. This is a cutout from my Cricut, the watermelon and the melon there. And I think this watermelon card candy turned out so cute. Wouldn't that be cute if you could buy it like this in the stores? This is so fun. Okay, I just recently purchased this tumbler die from the Greetery. And I just couldn't wait to play with it because I love the silly straw. This one says hello. I included some lemons and strawberry, and this is what I created for myself. I used vellum to cut out the die, and then I included the little fruity bits in the inside as a shaker. This is what I put together for Markeisha. Really, really fun. You can see here I included a little watermelon, yummy. Another little embellishment from that I pulled from my stash there. This is another little embellishment. So that's something real fun you can do to pull your card candy together really quickly, is you can add to it from stickers and things that you have in your stash. Here's another one here. That's a watermelon, and I love that I did this straw in this like vinyl type material. I think that turned out really cute. Next up, we have some cherries here, and you can see how fun and dimensional those cherries are. Really fun and cute. And again, I used the Nouveau glaze on the cherries when I cut them out. And I also put some dimensionals up under it to pop it up. So this is what I created for my personal stash. And this is what I put together for Markeisha. On this one, basically the cherries are pretty much the same. I added a cute little bee and I add one up here. And then I added You Are Sweet to decorate it. So I know this video is going quite long. I'm going to go ahead and just do a part 2 so I won't keep you too long. The video won't be too long. So make sure you stay tuned to part 2 of my fruit and bee card candy swap outgoing mail. So you guys, don't forget to hit the like button for this video, support my channel, subscribe, share, do all of that fun stuff to help support me, okay? And make sure you check me out on Instagram. I'm Scrap Passion 01 over on Instagram. And until next time, make sure you always create with love and passion.